Steve, horn cutting tools, traditionally you're known as a grooving company, but is it fair to say those days may be gone?
Yes, it is really, Joe. I mean, we're adding to the range all the time. A lot of the products that you see are actually coming away from some of the traditional grooving that you might imagine horn to be associated with. So, I mean, here's just a selection of some of the products that we're now supplying, and the products that people don't always associate, you know, traditionally as horn. But I mean, they're quite ingenious in some of the designs, and we're making a real impact. Yeah.
Can we just pick a few and just talk about them?
Yeah, we've got the tangential milling system. The Ranger cutters take the same insert. This particular one's of real interest because we actually have the adjustment where you can adjust so the cartridges both move together simultaneously. So this makes setting really easy. But we actually have a feature for this on the MTD technical corner as well, where one of our engineers goes through the process, etc. So that is proving to be really successful. But like I said, the main thing is the interchangeability of the inserts into different cutter bodies.
And high feed milling, that's something that I wouldn't associate horn with.
High feed, that is proven again to be very successful. We keep adding to the range. One of the things we've done, we've tin coated the bodies, which helps reduce friction in the pocket, so you don't get the same swarf erosion. Because obviously when you're running at those sort of cutting parameters, the swarf removal is pretty excessive, so it just aids it and lets everything get away.
And solid carbide?
Yeah, solid carbide, it's a range again that we're adding to all the time. We have two ranges, there's a premium range and then there's a more general purpose range, but we've got some of the latest coatings for doing materials up to 62 Rockwell, etc. So it is proving again to be a popular product that you wouldn't normally associate with a horn.
This is a product I don't recognise, is it new?
Yes, the speed forming. Where we use this is for producing narrow slots, deep slots where it isn't always possible to get in with an end mill. By using the machine axes, we can produce deep, narrow slots very effectively in rapid cycle times. Traditionally, you're looking at very small depths of cut, but very high feed rates. But this is quite, again, an ingenious product. And if you've got the right capabilities on the machine tool, you can program in curves, etc. So it is really something we're quite excited about.
So this year, it's an EMO year. Does that mean more products?
Yeah, again, that's going to be exciting for us because there's always a launch of a variety of products. And when we go over, we usually get to find out of them beforehand, obviously. But yeah, we're looking forward to seeing what's on offer this time.